Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to today's video, where we'll discuss steam clean versus self-clean oven. Watch until the end to determine which is a better oven. So the main difference between steam clean and self-clean oven is the interior cleaning method. A steam clean oven uses water and heat to create steam that loosens and removes debris and grime. Conversely, a self-clean oven uses extreme heat to burn into ashes, debris, and grime. The self-clean oven is better because it performs heavy-duty cleaning. Cleaning time. The steam clean oven has shorter cleaning cycles that last about 20 to 30 minutes. The shorter cleaning time is because the oven performs light cleaning. And on the other side, self-clean ovens have longer cleaning cycles that can last for 2 to 3 hours. The longer cleaning time is because the oven performs heavy-duty cleaning. In this category, it's a draw because each one produces different cleaning results, hence the difference in cleaning time. Energy use. The steam clean oven uses less energy because heat only converts water into steam. Conversely, the self-clean oven uses more energy to burn debris and grime into ashes. The steam clean oven is better because it conserves energy. Emissions. The steam clean oven does not emit strong fumes or odors because it uses steam to clean. On the other hand, self-clean ovens produce emissions because of the burning debris and grime. In this case, the steam clean is better because it causes less pollution. Comparison table. Based on the table, the steam clean oven has several advantages over the self-clean oven. It does not produce emissions, and it conserves energy. However, a self-clean oven has a significant advantage in heavy-duty cleaning, unlike a steam clean oven. Similarities. The most significant similarity between steam clean and self-clean ovens is that they are designed to clean the oven's interior without harsh cleaning chemicals or scrubbing. Verdict. So which is better? The steam clean oven is better than the self-clean oven because it does not produce emissions or odor during cleaning, and it uses less energy. However, the self-clean oven can perform heavy-duty cleaning, which steam cleaning cannot. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to let us know what other comparisons that you'd like to see next in the comments below.